Hi folks, welcome to the Richard CHANEY channel. I'm Richard CHANEY. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about the weather we're going to have. We're going to have storms for the next 2 or 3 days. They're talking it may be bad storms, so I'm not looking forward to that. I'm going to stay in out of it. There's going to be a lot of wind, rain, hail, lightning, thunder, and hard rains. So I'm not looking forward to that. But in the meantime, like I said, I'm going to stay in out of the rain because it's going to be bad storms coming through, and all of the storms are going to be in a train effect. So when one gets done, another one will move in, then another one will move in, then another one will move in, then another one will move in. Now each storm, they say, is going to be bad. Some worse than others. So, not looking forward to that. But I'm going to stay in, out of it, because they're talking about bad storms. So, I'm not looking forward to this. Not at all. How are you doing? How is your family doing? Hope you and your family's doing well. Me and my family's doing pretty good. Sitting back, doing this video for you. Get done. Get caught up on some movies. Eat my lunch. Eat my dinner. Get caught up on some movies. And relax. Relax. Because that's what I'm wanting to do. Relax. Tomorrow, I will look for a collection to show you. Today, I wanted to tell you about the storms coming in. So, that's going to be day after tomorrow is when the storms is going to start in. So, there'll be about 3 or 4 days worth of storms. Like I said, I hope you had a wonderful day today. I did. I spent it with family and friends, watched movies, and waited on time to do the video. Now I'm doing the video. If you have any suggestions on any CD, DVD, LP record, or cassette tape you want to see, please leave down in the comments and I'll show you those items. And at the end of the month, I'll show you more new items, but that will be at the end of the month, plus the items I got to show around here. Now, like I said before, each item is all original, none's compilation. For those of you that's new on the channel, none's compilation, it's all original. All original. And most of all, the items I get are all brand new. brand new items. I get brand new items every month. So be ready, and I'll show you all the new items that I get. Of course, I buy them, and they're all brand new. Brand new. Each item means a lot to me because it's something that I like. It's something that I like. I like movies. I like music. I like spending time with family and friends. I like to relax, watch movies, and just hang around here at the house. And just doing that gives me something to do, plus doing videos for you. And it gives me something to do. Something to do. And most of all, always remember to like, subscribe, click the notification bell to be notified when I post the next video here on YouTube. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.